Alright, I'm gonna be exactly honest. Waking up this early is not my thing, to be honest. Waking up 6 o'clock, I have to do this. I try to break myself into this every morning, and it's a pain to wake this early, but hey, I just gotta do it. And I will cool off for a bit. Then I'll enter the bathroom. And after entering the bathroom, I'll like brush my teeth and wash my face. So yeah, just to get the morning start and a good page. After I would like show for like 15 minutes. And I won't do any dishes in the sink. I think this is the worst part of my morning, that I have to wash the dishes, but I just gotta do them, you know. Then I'll make some good Jamaican mint tea. If you're a Jamaican, you know this mint is very good. So yeah, I have to have a cup of this every morning. Then I would like sit and read or lay and read for like an hour or so. I try to break myself into this, like to read a book like for an hour. I've been reading this book called The Master Monkey by the Hardy Boys, and it's a great book so far. Alright guys, so it's like 12:30 in the afternoon, going to 1 o'clock. So I think I'm gonna go to the store, grab some food because I'm feeling hungry as hell. So I'm gonna grab some food, head back to the crib. Before I head back to the crib, I think I'm gonna go to the barber first because my hair and my face looking all messy right now. I'm just gonna head out real quick, grab some food, head to the barber, and be back at the crib. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get back.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, so I'm back from the barber right now, and my hair looking all fresh and my face looking all fresh and stuff. So yeah, that's how I like to keep myself. And I cop something to eat. I just cop a butt dog because, you know, that's how they call it in Jamaica. It's like a hot dog, you're supposed to know. Butt dog, yeah. So I'm gonna eat that right now, and I'm gonna check my brother. So he just live around the road, so I'm just gonna see what's up with him, what he's doing and stuff, and chill a little. And then I'll get back into the crib again. So I'm gonna step out once more, and I'll get back, and then I will do whatever I do in the night or something. So yeah.
You got cheese like me?
Alright guys, I have one more thing to do. I'm about to leave my brother's house right now, so yeah, I'm gonna follow him, go somewhere and come back. So after I come back, I'll be at the crib, maybe watch some movies or something. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back from my brother's house. I just freshen up and stuff, eat some food. Meanwhile, I was on the road, so I got dinner on the road and stuff. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is just maybe catch a movie, and after I'm finished watching a movie, I'm just gonna edit this video, finish editing this video. So yeah, and just call it a wrap. So thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, thank you guys again for sticking around, just a day in my life to show you guys what I do and all those stuff on a regular basis. So yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this one. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.